Speaker, I take this opportunity to contribute to the motion on the state of the nation, and coming after the contributions by the Leader of Majority and the Leader of Minority and several senators from this side of the House, Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to reiterate that this is a time when His Excellency President Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, must stand up and be counted to make Kenya what it is and to do those things, Mr. Speaker, sir, that will define this nation as a nation that belongs to all the people of this country. To define this nation, Mr. Speaker, sir, as a nation that is not just made up of two communities, that must, Mr. Speaker, sir, reflect the face of every community in this country. Mr. Speaker, it is a time for inclusivity, a time to ensure that all those in the peripheries of this nation who feel that they have been left out of the governance structure of this nation are brought into the framework that will steer this nation going forth. Mr. Speaker, a time that those groups, either the Gen Zs or other groups, however they define themselves, Mr. Speaker, sir, must be brought into governance. And, Mr. Speaker, sir, we are here to support His Excellency the President. Mr. Speaker, I have a history and I've been on record as being one of those members of Parliament who have supported and stood with government. And that, Mr. Speaker, is what I intend to continue to do. But, Mr. Speaker, with a tinker, Mr. Speaker, sir. I'm happy, Mr. Speaker, sir, that the leader of my party, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, has seen the need, Mr. Speaker, sir, to work with government with a view, Mr. Speaker, sir, to stabilizing this government. Because this government, Mr. Speaker, sir, serves every citizen of this country. And when my good friend, the Senator from Migori, Eddie Mwok, spoke to me 3 days ago on the possibility of my party, the ODM, moving in the direction of government, I told him that that is the right thing to do. I told him that that's the right thing. I know he will. He knows that that is the right thing, and that I believe, Mr. Speaker, sir, that my party.
Order, Senator Ojenda.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Eddie, there is just have a seat. Senator Ojenda, just have a seat. Before this motion was processed, the leadership sat and agreed to basic house rules. And one of those rules were that there shall be no points of order raised on any senator who is on their feet contributing to this motion. And again, I caution the senators not to abuse that particular house rule, that you be factual. And remember, we have not suspended the standing orders of this House. So you have to take responsibility for whatever you say. You have to be factual, and whatever you say, you must be able to substantiate. So if you're unable to substantiate, don't go there. Don't abuse